Well, hello everyone. It's Chad, yet again, coming to you somewhat live from the greenhouse. Been working on a project today that I would really like to share with you. I think it's pretty cool. This is an important one. We won't get too wordy, so stay tuned. So before we really get into the meat and potatoes of this here video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's down over yonder way. Hit the little bell so you know when I post a video, and go ahead and share it with a friend. I think we're at 950 subscribers, inching ever so closer to that tantalizing and elusive mark of 1,000 subscribers. So today I'm building greenhouses inside the greenhouses. Let me flip you around and tell you why I would do such a thing. So I have greenhouses inside my greenhouse. Well, Chad, you have a greenhouse. Why are you building greenhouses? Well, that's a great question. I really appreciate you asking. The reason I am building these greenhouses is to protect the plants from the cold. Heat is not a problem in this greenhouse right now. It's probably 80 some odd degrees in there. One of the fans is on, so one of the thermostats is at about 80 degrees. This wall back here is open on the other side of these corrugated cardboard wet wall panels, so that's wide open. The greenhouse does retain heat, but maybe 5 to 10 degrees at the very most. I really need to trim that off. Don't let me forget to do that. So in April, in Colorado, April is the second snowiest month of the year, and we get freezing temperatures quite frequently. It's a nice day today, but today's a Saturday. Sunday, Monday is going to be nice. Tuesday it starts to get cold, and we have freezing temperatures the rest of the week and snow. So because I want to get my plants in the soil as fast as possible, remember we talked about that before, the sooner I get them into the dirt, the sooner those roots are going to grow, the sooner the plant is going to take off, the sooner I will be able to start growing pumpkins and not plants. So to do that, I need to protect them from the cold because I want to get them in here ASAP. Ugh, too fat. So what I'm doing is I have some half-inch PVC 15-foot worth that I have glued together with the aid of two couplings. The plants are 4.5 foot from the end wall, and then we're going to go ahead, and if I could do this one-handed, there you go. So you put up 4 of those. I already staked the rebar into the ground. It's 8 foot by 9 foot. Then we cover it with plastic. Then we wave hi to the wife and the daughter. Hello, wife and daughter. And that's it. Then we cover it with plastic, and you got it. So the other sides aren't covered yet, but that's a heater with a little fan on it. That's going to go inside. It'll have a temperature controller during the day. It's going to get about 1,000,000 degrees inside the greenhouses. So we will roll down the sides, and we'll have a fan. I'll have a temperature controller that'll kick on a fan and turn off the heat, and vice versa. So I don't have that here yet. I've got to go get that from my store. So that is what I am doing right here. I've got one more to do. I'll throw one of those sensors in there. So after a few days, few nights of freezing temperatures, I'll be able to tell if it works or not. If it does, then the pumpkin plants are going to go in the ground, and that is that. Emily, what do you have to say to everybody?
Hello.
Charlotte, what do you have to say to everybody? You have to say, where's my dinner? No smiles? Nope.
Nope.
All right, everybody, take it easy. Get out there. Grow yourself some chickens.